Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of arts and crafts with the Heritage Hue Picture Frame Craft Kit for kids. If you're looking for the best picture frame decorating kit on the market, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. This picture frame craft kit is a treasure trove of creativity for kids of all ages. From its vibrant packaging to its extensive range of accessories, it's designed to spark imagination and provide hours of fun. Let's take a closer look at what makes this kit stand out. First off, let's talk about the variety of accessories included. With over 100 decorating items, including paint, stickers, gems, and more, the possibilities are endless. Kids can unleash their creativity and personalize their 4x6 wooden frames to their heart's content. Safety is always a top priority, especially when it comes to crafting with kids. That's why this kit is designed with water-based washable paint and easy-to-clean brushes, ensuring a mess-free experience for both kids and parents. Plus, there's no need for glue, making it hassle-free and super convenient. Whether kids want to work on their frames independently or bond with family members during a fun painting session, this kit offers dynamic art projects for children of all ages. It's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and hands-on learning. And let's not forget about the gifting aspect. This kit makes for an excellent birthday present, stocking stuffer, or thoughtful gift for teachers, grandparents, or friends. It's a gift that keeps on giving, creating memorable experiences and cherished handmade creations. In conclusion, the Heritage Hue Picture Frame Craft Kit for kids is a must-have for any young artist or craft enthusiast. With its abundance of accessories, safety features, and endless creative possibilities, it's truly the best picture frame decorating kit available in the market. Don't miss out on the opportunity to spark imagination and create lasting memories with this fantastic kit. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy crafting!